Welcome back to Learning with the Difference. News headlines for school morning assembly. India's first case of coronavirus variant XE reported from Mumbai. 2,105 migrants returned to Kashmir after repeal of Article 370 Center. Such bipartisanship, PM Modi hailed Ukraine discussion in Parliament. Credit line at work, India delivered 76,000 tons fuel to Lanka in 24 hours. India tops world in terms of number of persons killed in road accidents. Centre's memorandum requires judges to obtain political clearance for private visits abroad. Government formed panel to make India global leader in semiconductor technology. And now some international news. Japan to lift COVID entry ban for 106 countries including US. Blast hits mosque in Kabul during prayers, injuring 6. Israeli Prime Minister loses majority after MP quits coalition. Geomagnetic storm set to hit Earth today after filament eruption from Sun. Pak political crisis won't affect infra projects cooperation, says China. Impotency of UN, Pope as he kissed flag from Ukraine mass grave down. And now some sports news. IPL 2022, Dinesh Karthik needs to put his name back into international cricket, says PLESSIS. French tennis player sorry for Will Smith style slap for rival. CBI registered preliminary inquiry against NARINDER BATRA for Hockey India Fund's misuse. And these are today's news headlines. Thank you to all of you.